Hello everybody! Today we're going to unbox, take a close-up look and test the Grand Seiko Pen. So let's first take a look around the outside of the box. So in this box is a Grand Seiko Pen, and just taking a look at the details of the box packaging. And on the reverse or on the side of the box. And now let's go ahead and slide the outer box sleeve off, and just setting that to the side. And now taking a look at the inner box for this Grand Seiko Pen. And now let's open it up by lifting up the box lid. So it is a hard plastic box or shell. And of course there is a card here, so with the Platinum Japan 1919 pen company details, the double action pen instruction manual. And let's open it up so you can see the details. So just unfolding it so it does fold downwards, and giving you a look at the details for this Grand Seiko Platinum Japan Pen. And on the reverse side there is further details for the pen. Okay, and let's fold it back up, and I'm going to set that on the right hand side of the tabletop. And now taking a look at this Grand Seiko Platinum Japan Pen as it is strapped to its box packaging before I start handling it, so giving you a close-up look at the details. And of course, being such a shiny object, it does take a bit of time for the camcorder to focus in on the details. Okay, now let's slide the pen out from its holder or box, and of course we can close it back up by replacing the lid onto its tray. And now taking a look at the pen up close. So you can see that it does have a very glossy or shiny finish. And it does have a pale blue main colouring to it, and of course the Grand Seiko GS branding on the top or upper part of the pen. And taking a look top down, we can see an overall polished finish to the metal aspects of the pen. and to give you some idea of the size of the pen, once we achieve focus at some point, so struggling quite a bit here, but there we go, with the pen in my hand, to give you some sense of its size and giving you some perspective as well. And just gripping or holding on to the pen. And to give you an idea of the parts of the pen, the body does feel like does have a plastic body to the pen. However, with the stainless steel, or at least chromed accents to the various parts of the pen, because it does feel cool to the touch, or at least it seems to feel cool to the touch, to those chrome or stainless steel parts to the pen. Okay, and let's twist it, and you can see with the tip extending right there. So giving you a look at the tip of the ballpoint pen. So it does appear to have a very fine nib to it. And let's twist it. The opposite way, so we can see that it does have several nibs to the pen. So it is a multi-functional pen, so with the mechanical pencil right there, and then what appears to be a ballpoint nib, and then a second nib. So just giving you a look, and of course let's retract the mechanical pencil nib, or at least the lead that's in it. So once again giving you a look up close, and so if we twist it closed in the retracted position, so you can see the various nibs. So just trying to demonstrate here, twisting it clockwise, and anti-clockwise. So doing it very quickly so you can see right there the action of the nibs that's in it. So let's open it up. Let's see if we can unscrew the shaft of the pen, and to give you a look at the various refills that's in it. So we can see the 3 different refills in the pen to give you a sense of the inner workings. Okay, and let's give you some idea. So they all have that spring tension to them and is secured into the upper part of the pen. Okay, and let's screw the pen back together, making sure that's nice and tight. So in the closed position there is of course a little bit of play right there, but once again giving you a look anti-clockwise brings out the regular pen nib, so only goes down one position at that point and back to the retracted position, and if we go clockwise this time round we get a pen nib once again, and one more time brings out the mechanical pencil nib. And we're just trying to have a look at the various parts, and with the cap of the pen, if we unscrew it we can see there is an eraser tip. So just trying to focus in on the details right there so you can see. And just screwing that eraser cap back on so you can see it right there. The overall design of this Grand Seiko Platinum pen with the double action design. Okay, now let's go ahead and of course test it. So over here I have a moleskin. Let's open it up. So a little moleskin notebook here. Let's scribble date. Let's go. And actually that's the mechanical pencil, so let's bring out the lead that's in there. And right there, just writing December 2nd. And let's bring out the pens, so right now with the red ring tip. So just write Grand Seiko there, and let's rotate it all the way down. And there we go, with the mechanical pencil with the deck 2nd, December 2nd, and of course the ballpoint pen in red with the Grand Seiko and the scribble there. And lastly, Grand Seiko once again in the black nib. So pencil, red pen, black pen, or black ink. So that's the Grand Seiko pen and mechanical pencil. Thanks for watching and happy writing!